Picture a vast field in late summer, the sun high, the air alive with the scent of soil and growth. Before you, endless rows of bushy soybean plants stretch to the horizon, their leaves rustling in the breeze. This isn't just a field, it's a living factory, where a hidden magic unfolds beneath the surface. The real story of the soybean isn't in its leaves or pods, but in its roots, where a remarkable partnership with microscopic life is at work. Soybeans, part of the legume family, have a secret. They can pull a vital nutrient, nitrogen, straight from the air. This ability transforms the field, making it a model of natural efficiency and sustainability. As you walk between the rows, you see pods forming, future beans destined for tables worldwide. But the most incredible part is what happens underground, where the soybeans' roots and their tiny partners enrich the soil. This field is a testament to working with nature, not against it. For centuries, farmers have known that legumes like soybeans leave the soil better than they found it. The soybeans' magic is a partnership millions of years in the making. It's what allows this field to thrive without constant chemical fertilizers. Here, the journey of a simple bean begins, not just as food, but as a force for a more sustainable future. The secret lies in the roots, where the real magic happens. Shrink down into the soil, and you'll find the soybeans' roots weaving through a bustling world of life. Among the countless microbes, one stands out: Rhizobia bacteria. These tiny partners are essential to the soybean's magic. When a soybean seed sprouts, its roots send out chemical signals, inviting Rhizobia to come closer. The bacteria respond, drawn by the promise of food and shelter. Once they reach the root hairs, the plant welcomes them, building special nodules, tiny workshops just for them. Inside these nodules, the bacteria multiply, safe and well-fed by the plant's sugars. In return, the Rhizobia offer the plant something it can't get on its own: nitrogen, pulled from the air and transformed into food. This exchange is the heart of the soybean's secret power. The plant and bacteria need each other. Neither can perform this feat alone. The nodules become hubs of activity, where millions of bacteria work for the plant. The plant provides energy. The bacteria provide life-giving nitrogen. This partnership is a perfect example of symbiosis. Both sides benefit, and the soil is enriched. It's a natural alliance that has shaped agriculture for generations. The soybeans' roots are not just anchors. They're the foundation of a living, breathing ecosystem. The nodules on soybean roots are more than bumps. They're miniature factories. Slice one open, and you'll see a pinkish hue from leghemoglobin, a protein that controls oxygen flow. This low oxygen environment is crucial for the bacteria's work. The plant sends sugars to the nodules, fueling the rhizobia inside. The bacteria wield a unique enzyme, nitrogenase, capable of breaking the tough triple bond in nitrogen gas. Our air is full of nitrogen, but plants can't use it, except with help from these bacteria. Inside the nodules, the bacteria break apart nitrogen molecules and combine them with hydrogen to create ammonia. This process, called nitrogen fixation, turns unusable nitrogen gas into a form the plant can absorb. The ammonia produced is a natural fertilizer, delivered right to the plant's roots. The soybeans' nodules are self-contained worlds, running around the clock. The plant and bacteria work in harmony, each providing what the other needs. This system allows soybeans to thrive where other plants might struggle. The magic of the nodules is the secret to the soybeans' success. It's a marvel of natural engineering, hidden just beneath our feet. Nitrogen fixation is one of nature's most elegant chemical feats. Rhizobia bacteria use the enzyme nitrogenase to break the strong bonds of nitrogen gas. This process demands energy, which the plant supplies through sugars from photosynthesis. The bacteria consume these sugars, channeling the energy to power nitrogenase. Step by step, nitrogen gas is split and combined with hydrogen to form ammonia. Ammonia is a form of nitrogen the plant can use immediately. The plant absorbs this natural fertilizer, using it to build proteins, DNA, and more. The bacteria produce more ammonia than they need, sharing the surplus with the plant. It's a perfect exchange food and shelter for nitrogen. This self-sufficient system gives soybeans a huge advantage. The roots become a 24/7 fertilizer factory, fueling growth and resilience. Why is nitrogen so vital? It's the foundation of life for every plant. Without nitrogen, plants can't grow, thrive, or reproduce. It's essential for making chlorophyll, the pigment that captures sunlight for photosynthesis. Without enough nitrogen, leaves turn yellow and growth stalls. Nitrogen is also a core part of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Proteins do nearly all the work inside cells, from structure to transport. Nitrogen is woven into DNA and RNA, the blueprints for life. Every time a plant grows or reproduces, it needs nitrogen to copy its genetic code. A shortage of nitrogen halts growth and stops new seeds or fruit from forming. In nature, nitrogen is often the limiting nutrient. Plants compete fiercely for it. Soybeans, with their bacterial partners, sidestep this struggle by making their own supply. It's like having a personal chef preparing the most important meal every day. This self-sufficiency is a revolutionary advantage in the plant world. The soybean's magic doesn't end at harvest. It leaves a legacy in the soil. Throughout its life, the plant produces more nitrogen than it needs. Some leaks into the soil, but the biggest gift comes after harvest, as roots and nodules decompose. This releases stored nitrogen, acting as a slow-release fertilizer for the next crop. The soil becomes richer and more fertile, supporting stronger future harvests. This is the foundation of crop rotation. Plant soybeans one year, and the next crop, like corn, thrives on the leftover nitrogen. Farmers have used this wisdom for generations, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. The result? Healthier soil, lower costs, and more sustainable farming. Soybeans don't just take from the land, they give back, improving it for years to come. This natural process makes farming more resilient and regenerative. The soybean is more than a crop. It's a tool for building better soil. Its legacy is a field that grows stronger with every season. Now compare soybeans to corn, a crop with no nitrogen-fixing partnership. Corn is a heavy feeder, stripping the soil of nitrogen each season. To keep yields high, farmers rely on synthetic fertilizers, made through the energy-intensive Haber-Bosch process. This process mimics what rhizobia do, but at a massive environmental cost, using huge amounts of fossil fuels. Synthetic fertilizers revolutionized agriculture, but they come with downsides. Much of the applied nitrogen washes away, polluting rivers and oceans, causing algal blooms and dead zones. Some escapes as nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse gas. Our food system, once powered by the sun, now depends heavily on fossil fuels. Unlike soybeans' targeted delivery, synthetic fertilizer is inefficient and polluting. The environmental toll is high energy use, water pollution, and climate impact. Corn's chemical diet highlights the need for smarter, more sustainable solutions. The contrast with soybeans couldn't be clearer. Soybeans offer a powerful alternative to chemical-intensive farming. By rotating soybeans with crops like corn, farmers reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Corn planted after soybeans can use the nitrogen left in the soil, cutting fertilizer use and fossil fuel demand. This shift reduces carbon emissions and energy consumption. Less synthetic fertilizer means less nitrogen runoff, protecting rivers and lakes from pollution. The nitrogen from soybeans is released slowly, minimizing environmental harm. Crop rotation with legumes also improves soil health, adding organic matter and supporting beneficial microbes. Healthier soil holds water better, resists erosion, and sustains productivity. Farming with soybeans moves us closer to a food system powered by the sun, not fossil fuels. It's a win for farmers, the environment, and future generations. The humble soybean is a key to cleaner fields and a healthier planet. The soybean's hidden factories offer a lesson for the future of farming. Nature's solutions, like the soybean's partnership with bacteria, are elegant and efficient. For decades, we've relied on industrial power, but the environmental costs are mounting. The soybean shows there's another way: cooperation with nature, not conquest. Crop rotation is ancient wisdom, treating the field as an ecosystem, not a factory. The future lies in blending modern tools with nature's own strategies. We can breed even better soybeans and use precision agriculture to maximize benefits. The soybean story is one of connection, between plant and microbe, air and soil, this year's crop and the next. By embracing these lessons, we can build a food system that nourishes both people and the planet. The promise of the soybean is a smarter, more sustainable future for us all.